Python lambdas or anonymous functions. In Python, a lambda function is a special type of function without a function name. A lambda function is a small anonymous function, and they can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. So, normally when we create functions, we use def. But in anonymous functions or lambda functions, we use the keyword lambda. So this is a simple function that prints hello world. But to run this, we have to assign it to a name, probably greet. So now we can call this function by saying greet, save, and run. And as you can see, hello world. So it's a simple function without any function name. You just assign it to a variable and you call it like a function. This lambda function currently takes no parameter, but we can actually assign parameters to it. And I can say maybe name. So hello world name. Then I can have name here. So you can see we only have one expression, and that is this print statement. So I can now go in here and use my name. So if I run this, you can see hello world precious. You can also have other parameters. I can use country, hello world name, you are from country. So that is, I just assigned two parameters, so I will send in two arguments, my name and my country. Run this, hello world precious, you are from Nigeria. So this is basically a lambda function that takes in two parameters and you use it in the expression, hello world name, you are from country, and you send in the argument that is going to replace this variable or this parameter names. We can even use it for arithmetic operations. So I can create a new lambda function, x is equals to lambda. Then I create three variables, so parameters c, and I want to use them as a plus b plus c. I can go further to print this, call the function, then send in the variables 4, 5, 6. Save this, and let's run this to see the output. And you can see 15. So you see a lambda function has only one expression. You can only do just one thing with a lambda function, but you can send in different parameters and you create a lambda function using the keyword lambda, not def, and you assign everything to a variable. In this case, I'm using x. So this is it on Python lambda function or anonymous functions. I'll see you in the next one.